Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Real quick, guys, I want to do an update for you with my EMAX Tinyhawk. I reviewed this one on the channel a few months ago, guys. At the time I reviewed this quadcopter, guys, there was only one drawback to it I had was the short flight time. The stock battery, of course, these are 1S batteries, 450 milliamps, averages about 3 minutes 20 seconds to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Right around 3 minutes and 15 seconds, you're going to start getting a low battery warning in your goggles. It does have on-screen display. When I first got mine, with my cheap butt, I was too cheap to go out and buy some spare batteries. I had these batteries hanging around the house from my KingKong Tiny 8X. The stock battery is 450, the KingKong battery 550. If you can remember, EMAX had just a very, very short pigtail stock out of the box for the battery connector that connects to their not proprietary, but this battery is sort of unusual because most 1S batteries come with the connector built in like that. EMAX put this little short pigtail on their batteries, and they had a pigtail on the battery connector on the quad, so making it almost well, it was impossible to use this battery with the stock pigtail, but they did include an extra long pigtail in the box with the Tinyhawk, so I extended mine so that I could use my KingKong batteries. But guys, trust me, I was getting shorter flight time with the KingKong battery. I think maybe the KingKong batteries are set up for brush motor quads. It could be a difference in the C ratings. Well, there's a difference in the C rating, but the Tinyhawk started making all of my KingKong batteries overheat, and they all got puffed up, and now I'm only getting about a minute and a half of flight time with the KingKong battery. Now, however, this KingKong battery still works fine in my Tiny 8. Guys, I found a 5 battery bundle you can get from Banggood, guys, and this little battery is almost identical to the stock battery, size, width, length, and it came with the pigtail on it already. Had I broken down and bought these batteries in the beginning, I would not have had to do that modification, because that turned out to be a failure anyway. So guys, what we're going to do real quick is a flight test. I'm going to fly it around here in the house. I won't be flying all through the house, just in this room, guys. My house is a mess. The URAV, my bad, URUAV battery is a 550 milliamp battery, and once again giving us 100 milliamp more over the stock battery. So I'll do a flight time comparison test on the batteries, guys. I have tried these already. I haven't tried them outdoors yet, but I'm getting over 4 minutes of flight time with these batteries, guys. And the 5 battery bundle was pretty cheap too. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and do a flight test, and keep your eyes on a timer that's in the FPV view. So remember, the Tinyhawk has on-screen display, so the timer begins from the time I arm the bird, take it up, and keep your eye on the screen for the low battery warning and at what time those pop up. And at critical low battery, the Tinyhawk says land now. Okay, check it out, guys. Pow!